Hello, what's up guys? Today we have bought the new OnePlus 6T and we will be going to do unboxing and setup. So let's do this. First we got all this. I have ordered this from Amazon.in and firstly I will also show you the memories and all. So we have mirror black 128 GB OnePlus 6. You can also see 41,999 rupees. So here we have OnePlus community. Let's keep this aside. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, this is the main thing, guys. Mirror black. So let's keep this thing aside and check out. You also get a silicone case with this. It is a good quality case and some paperwork. Let's check out the paperwork. OnePlus 6T, the pin, SIM ejector, safety information, warning, I think. Okay, these are the stickers which we get with OnePlus 6T. More paperwork. Unlock the speed, never settle. Poster. And something written in very small letters. We'll read afterwards. Okay, and after that we are having invitation letter. What's this? A word from Pate OnePlus CEO. So he's the CEO and he has written this invitation letter to everybody who had bought this OnePlus 6T. Friends, I will give this letter in description, then you can check out. Okay, after we see the cable, this is the cable we get. It is a type C cable and here we have dongle. Okay, OnePlus 6T do not hold that, we can say, jack, 3.5 jack. Okay, that's good, but not enough. We have dongle and it is the dash charger. Now we will be setting up the OnePlus 6. Yeah, let's remove the wrappings, get it into the case. Okay, this is very sleek. I love this thing. OnePlus, powered by Android. It holds Oxygen OS, iOS, or here we have 20 megapixel cameras both and 16 megapixel cameras here. Hi there. Yes, start. Vision settings. Okay. To zoom quickly, tap 3. Tap the screen 3 times. Drag 2 or more fingers to scroll. Pinch 2 or more fingers to adjust. Okay. This is good. Display size. Hey Patty. Not more. Default. Select to speak. First tap the icon, then you can how to use this feature. I do not understand this thing. Talk back. Okay. Now start. I agree. User experience, join the user experience. Okay, I'm in. Connect to mobile network. Insert them now. Okay guys, we will do this setup afterwards, and here you can see this is the long process of setting up. Okay, bye guys, we'll see you later. This is Jashan signing off.